Hey guys, this is Daniel from Obsessed Garage and welcome to OG Academy, a series of videos where we go more in depth on the products that we offer here at Obsessed Garage. Today we're going to be talking about the different nozzle degree sizes that we offer or that exist out there. These normally come included with our basic and advanced tier packages. If you buy an ultimate tier package, that actually comes with our OG Spec nozzles, and we'll have a video in the description below that will actually explain more information about our OG Spec nozzles. So as you can see, they come in different colors: red, orange, green, and white, which signify different degrees. Now, normally the red would be a 0 degree, the orange would be a 15 degree, green would be a 25 degree, and white would be a 40 degree. You might ask yourself, well, what degree do I need? Well, let's start off first of all with the red tip, which is the 0 degree. I like to call this the danger zone tip, meaning that you definitely do not want to use this on any delicate surface, especially on your vehicle. This is more concentrated for those hard to reach areas where you need the really extra cleaning power. For example, sometimes doing driveway cleaning, we would recommend this. Then we move up to our 15 degree, which again, the only difference is that it allows more degree of water and a more concentrated area. This would be again suited more for those dirtier jobs where you need more pressure to clean much more efficiently. Then we move on to our 25 degree, which can be used, for example, on engine bay and wheels. It's again a little more concentrated, but safe enough as long as you use a proper distance to be able to clean those dirtier spots in your vehicle. And finally, we have our white tip, which is our 40 degree. We recommend this for all around use, as it's great for rinsing away soap when washing your vehicle. And not only that, but when dealing with delicate surfaces, it's the one we recommend as it has the widest spray pattern and the less pressure per area. And that's the breakdown of the different degrees that we offer here at Obsessed Garage when it comes to nozzle tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below or contact us at support@obsessedgarage.com.